Hello, I'm Bradley Griggs, co-founder and COO of Nave Analytics. Today we are going to go over how to view NavePlant analytics through map view and through list view. So let's get started. Right now we are currently on the map view. As you can see, map view is highlighted. And to view analytics on your field through map view, you must first click the field, and over here on the left-hand side, your analytics will pop up. Again, this is for NavePlant, just to be sure that everyone is aware that we're talking about the right thing. So over here on the left-hand side, you have your last irrigation, if there was an irrigation applied during the NavePlant process, and then your precipitation, when was the last rain that you received. And then below you have your general information around your users who you have assigned, your crop type, planting date, and field area. Now, some of the things that we really like to highlight here are the parameters. As you notice, there is a toggle feature here where you can toggle on and off the color-coded categories. Poor red, meaning you should have a look at this. So it's a planting window. So this is your current status planting window. That would mean that poor, I would not plant today. Soil water content is nearing saturation, which means you're a little bit too full on the profile, meaning a tractor could be problematic getting out of there. As you can see, this correlates with the too wet at a 92% and too dry at 0%. And then we have a forecast. So what this is showing us here is the best planting window that we have is in 7 days based on the expected rain that's going to happen in the next 7 days. But a good planting window should happen in 2 days, which would mean that we have a dry down coming and you should be able to get out and move around your fields and do your planting. And then we have a frost forecast over here on the left to let you know how many days away we are from a potential frost. Other factors that we can look at here is your irrigation, if they were entered. As of right now in this review, we don't have any, and then the precipitation data entered if you were to do so. Okay, that wraps up analytics to look at and view on the map view. So now I'll go over here and click on list view. Once in list view, let's click on current status. As you can see, our NavePlant shows up. From here, we have our status, which means what product your field is enrolled in. Planting window again, just like from the map view, soil water content, too wet and too dry. In this case, on the map view, we have all of our different analytics all on one window here. You'll have to click through different tabs to see more. So let's go next to the forecast. Our forecasted, this is for a 2-week window from August 1st to August 15th for this demo purpose. And it'll give you your expected rain within the next 2 weeks, your best planting window within the next 2 weeks, a good planting window, and then if there's any frost forecasted in the future. Again, over here on list view, you can toggle on and off your highlighted categories. That's all we have for forecast. Cumulatives for NavePlant. There is no cumulatives for NavePlant. The irrigation tab is where you could enter your irrigation if you have irrigated at all during the planting process. And then the precipitation can be updated. If you do not like the precipitation that you're seeing within the Nave application, you can come in here and enter that precipitation yourself. And after that is entered, that precip amount will show up in tomorrow's run. And that's all I have for NavePlant, how to view analytics through map view and list view. Thank you.